to be friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. Today, if you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you already clicked on this video, you already watching this video, you might as well like, you might as well comment, you might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So yeah, in today's video, as you can see, I did my hair. As you can see, you know 613, that's the blonde, that's my new color because it's cute. So yeah, as you can see, I did my hair, and I'm gonna just show y'all how I did it. I did a knotless braid tutorial already, but I'm not gonna lie, like, that video sucked. Like, it wasn't a good tutorial. To me, it wasn't a good tutorial. So I'm gonna do this again because that was one of my first videos, but like, I just want to do it again to, like, make a better video, So yeah, also, thank you for 200 subscribers. Like, I am growing, and I have been getting so many good comments. Like, I don't know, like, all the comments been saying like, oh, you deserve more subscribers, you deserve more views, I love your content. Like, I really appreciate all those comments because, like, it makes me keep going. Like, it makes me really want to keep going, even though I want to keep going, but it makes me want to go 10 times harder. Like, it makes me want to keep going. So thank you for all the love and support. I really appreciate it, and thank you. We on the way up. So yeah. First, I'm going to show y'all, like, the products I use and all that. So I use 4 packs of 613 Expressions hair, and I have never used 4 packs before. Like, I usually use 5, 6, 7, and I bought 1 pack of pink, and I only had 1 pink braid. Like, I was gonna do like pink highlights kind of, but I don't really like it that much. So, and after I did this 1 braid, I was like, I'm not taking it out. So I only have 1 pink braid, literally just 1 pink braid. It's a little cute. I'm just glad I didn't do the rest. But I did 1 pack of pink hair, but it was only 1 braid, so I'm pretty sure I still would have needed 4 packs, and I still got hair left over from the 4th pack. So yeah. And I also use cantu moisturizer because y'all know I moisturize my hair while I'm braiding it. Shine and Jam, what else can you use? And edge control. I mean, not edge control, edgewax. And I mix the Shine and Jam and edgewax together because it, like, makes it stronger for my type of hair. Like, I have type 4 hair, 4A, 4B, 4C, and it's super, super thick. And Shine and Jam just don't work alone. So yeah, it took me, this was the quickest I ever did my hair. So it took me 5 hours for the front, and it took me 3 or 4 hours for the back. Y'all, if you want to get done with your hair super, super quick, pre-part your hair. This is my first time ever only pre-parted the back of my head. When I pre-parted the back of my head, I was done in 2 to 3 hours. 3 to 4 hours. 2, 3, or 4 hours. I don't remember, but that is the quickest I ever did, ever. The back usually takes me the longest because it's more space and more braids. That's gonna cut off a lot of time, like a lot of time. So before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, last one, moisturizer, brush, raised edges and Shine and Jam, and you just smooth it out and twist. This really gets it ready for the braid. Gets my hair ready for the braid because my hair is thick. And then you just get your hair ready. All I do, I get 3 pieces ready because it's easier to be consistent when you know how much pieces you're getting. So 1 piece, you gotta, like, feel to see if it's enough hair. all feathered, you know. And you see like this look a little too, what's the name? I just like pull different strands just to make it a little more feathered. So yeah. All right. Close, close, close up. I'm gonna take 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. And begin a braid. These 2 fingers. You braid again, and once you get back to the front, these 2 fingers get back to the front. You add the second piece. Round your pinky, around everything until you get back to these 2 fingers. Pull a little, tighten it. Braid regularly. Do not braid in this piece. When you get your fingers get back to the front, you add this piece in. Braid twice. Your fingers get back to the front. You add the last piece in around the pinky. And you add the last piece to these 2 fingers. Tighten a little. Braid. You see the 2 fingers are in the back. You wait till the 2 fingers get back to the front. And you add the rest. See? No, not. The braid starts right here, but the kink line you can see right here. Braid starts right here, kink line starts right here. And then, okay, then you just braid as normal. And once I get to a certain point, I flip it this way and start to braid. I think this is under backhand, I don't know. And I just put each piece in the back. I'm not trying to tuck it this time because I don't care that much. And if you need more hair, I wait till the hair that I need more hair in gets in the middle. I take from the biggest part and just add it like that and braid regularly. I do that so it won't, like, you can't tell that you added more hair, because sometimes you can see like it makes a bump or something. Braid it like regularly. You take a small piece. I try to take the longest piece. So, and you put it in a knot. And once you get done, even though this is only 2 braids, I brush the ends. Like when I have more braids, I brush the ends so it gets super silky, no tangles, and dip it. Before you dip it, brush the ends so it can be silky. So yeah, that's it. That's all you do. And I'm pretty sure all y'all know how to dip. So yeah, I'm pretty sure all y'all know how to dip. So yeah, this is it. Okay, so this is the final result. Yes, I have 1 pink braid. That's all I wanted to do. I could have did more, but I ain't really like the look. But now, me looking at it, it kind of look good. But yeah, and y'all, I did my baby hairs. Kinda. Let me show y'all my scalp. Can you see a knot? Not where. Let me see so y'all can actually see. Not where. I don't know. Final result. They're super long. I know people don't really like their edges like this, but I mean their ends like this, but my braids was way too long and I didn't really know how to cut it, so I just cut it like this because I don't really care. I honestly, it still look good to me. See, this is the back. Y'all know how y'all can see, y'all be like seeing the parts of knotless braids. Like these are knotless, but like y'all know how people be doing knotless braids and you can see the parts. Like you can see they scalp through the braids. Mine never looked like that. I don't know why. I think it's because my hair is super thick and I could be having a whole bunch of braids and layers. But maybe if I go to the a real braider, it might look like that, but we know that's not gonna happen. So I guess it would never look like that. I don't know. But yeah, this is the final result. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you like this. I hope that y'all think this tutorial is better than the last tutorial, because the last tutorial, it was just, I'm not gonna say it was all over the place, but it was just too much. Like it was too much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram because I'll be posting looks. Like you already know I'll be posting looks, so just follow me on Instagram. And thank you for 200 subscribers again. Like thank you for all the love and support. Thank you for all the comments, because I read all of them. As y'all can see, I'll be replying to all y'all. Thank you. And thank you, just thank you. Like we up, we on the way up. So before we get out this video, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next one, and see you in my next one. Bye. Bye.